cross chaggas into the other New Zealand column. All right, so we have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We go into our cucarachas where we let go. We do the step one, doing the gentleman's part here. Now we have both 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then we have our side breaks. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then we do the comb. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now I reach for my partner and take her back. 2, 3, 4. All right. Ladies' part is slightly different. So if I'm taking it from here, we have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that's how I got into my side-by-side position. We're going to take that side-by-side position and we're going to go back into closed position. So we have 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, so ladies, you can link that together so that you understand that the beginning and the end, everything else is exactly the same. Okay?